Hello guys, 4 examples of diseases and infections you can get even after the use of what? Condom. Even if you like use condom, you will still contact these what? Diseases. Now, this is one thing that people have been complaining about. I've been using condom all this while. Why did I got infected? I've been using it, I always use it, I double it, but yet I got what? Infected. But in this video I'll be explaining those 4 major infections that you can get even after the use of what? Condom. Then number 1 is what? The HPV, human papilloma virus, which causes genital warts. Now this infection can get into your body through body contact. When you even when you use condom as a man, like when you put on the condom as a man, the condom does not cover all part of your body. Yes, it doesn't cover all part of your body. It only covers that region, that particular place that you want to put on the condom. Therefore, the fluid that is coming out from your body can touch any part of the woman's body and she will get what? Infected. Same thing happens to the man. Once the fluid from the woman's V-port touches any part of the man's body, the man can also get what? Infected. Then the second one is what? The herpes. With herpes, it actually happens when there is body contact. When two bodies comes together, the fluid touches the body of the woman or the body of the man. Surely the both of them can actually get infected. It happens when knacking takes place. Even if you put on condom, hence the both of you are knacking, the fluid that is coming out from the man due to heat can touch the woman and the woman will get infected. Same thing will happen, the fluid coming from the woman's V-port can also touch the man and the man will also get infected. Then another one is hepatitis B. This one is very, very dangerous. I use the word dangerous because something that is full is too much. So hepatitis B is not something small at all. So I use the word dangerous to show you how big, how dangerous it can be. So it can be very, very dangerous because it can affect your liver. It can make your liver to be inflamed, and your liver is one major organ that controls a lot of activity that is going on in your body. And without the liver, there will be a lot of problem inside your body. Then another one is what? Syphilis. This can be transmitted even with the use of condom. If you like, double it. Yes. If you like, double it, because the process at which this thing happens is when you are knacking with your partner. Once the fluid from your balls touches any part of the person's body, due to heat coming out from your body, it will cause some kind of fluid to be rolling down your body. So once this fluid from your balls touches the woman's V-port, the woman will get what? Infected. Same thing happens to the man. Once the fluid from the woman's V-port touches the man will also get infected. So the question now is, how do you protect yourself from this whole infection? My dear, get vaccinated. Yes, go to the hospital and tell them that you want to take your vaccination treatment. Then they will get you the vaccination treatment and you will take it. So get yourself vaccinated. Then another one is for the use of post-exposure prophylaxis. I've been mentioning this medication all the time, so please have it at the back of your mind. Post-exposure prophylaxis is a medication that can serve you for as long as 28 to 30 days. It can help to reduce the chances of you getting this infection. It can help to reduce, once you're taking this medication, the way it is being prescribed, surely it will reduce your chances of contacting any kind of disease or maybe any kind of infection. So this is all I have to share with you guys in regards to this video. Thank you very much for staying tuned. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and do well as to share with a friend if you got value. For all my returning subscribers and followers, this is Prince Global saying thank you. See you guys in the next one. Bye.